Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel. Booking air through a cruise line has always been a challenge. Regent 7 Seas just made it a little bit easier. Today we're going to talk about Regent's brand new Air Concierge program, and I'll tell you exactly what it means for your next Regent voyage. If you have any questions, I'm always around. You can call me or text me anytime. I am a preferred partner with Regent 7 Seas, so if you book your cruise with me, you're going to get some extra added benefits. So beginning on April 1st, 2026, Regent is launching its new Air Concierge program, and it's exactly the kind of white glove treatment you'd expect from the world's most all-inclusive luxury cruise line. So let's talk about what the Air Concierge program is. Gone are the days of pre-bundled airfare priced months in advance with little flexibility. With Air Concierge, Regent's dedicated team of flight specialists works with you to build the itinerary that you actually want. Your preferred airline, your cabin class, your routing, your schedule. Pricing is going to be based on real-time market rates at the moment you're arranging your air. This means greater transparency and no more guessing at what you're actually going to pay for air. So what's included when you use Air Concierge program, you're going to get more than just your flight. Fully personalized flight planning with a dedicated Air Concierge specialist, up to $500 per suite in Black Lane private chauffeur credits. This is going to be available for you 10 days before your cruise, up to 10 days after your cruise. Complimentary coach transfers between the airport and the ship on embarkation day and disembarkation day. If you prefer not to use those Black Lane credits or the Black Lane service, you can opt out and you'll get shipboard credit equal to that value instead. So how does this work? So, well, if you book your cruise with me, I'll take care of everything for you. You have to do nothing. If you book on your own through Regent, they'll give you an Air Concierge number for you to call. When does this become available? Well, Air opens up for concierge class categories and up 270 days before your cruise. So if you are below concierge, that's going to be 240 days. There is a $125 deposit per person. This is required to initiate the process. If you do book air with Regent, that $125 goes towards your airfare. If you book air on your own, you get that in onboard credit, so there's nothing that you lose. Regent 7 Seas is all-inclusive. All your shore excursions are included, all your meals, your beverages, including premium alcohol, gratuities, Wi-Fi. Air Concierge program extends that same philosophy to the journey itself. Your vacation should not start on the gangway. It should start the moment you leave your home. If you have any questions about the Air Concierge program or Regent, or have any questions at all, I'm always around. Contact me anytime. As always, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.